it's the next day we up, you feel me? I gotta go get my clothes out the car.
You sure?
What?
You sure you're not get there?
Oh, trust me, believe, but it ain't too far. I remember how we got there from last night.
Okay.
But get buff.
I'm supposed to be healing my body, but that's what they don't see. I just say
I'm ganging them and they won't catch me lacking. Bro, I gotta go out to the car and get my clothes. It's a shicey summer, yeah. Book you for your llama, yeah. You feel me? Damn. Boy, god damn. On me. On me, shorty look good as hell. Damn, shorty wasn't. Hey, damn, I hope you shorty was bad as fuck.
women say they love but envy me. I don't know.
But Pete gang, I had to turn the camera off, bro. Gosh, I shot my shot with somebody though. Now it's just a little peaceful, breezier walk.
Ain't no harm, but I don't need you banned for me. If I ain't through cut, you ain't getting shit from me. I don't know them girl, I don't give no.
But Pete game, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm doing a lot of fucking walking and no talking or shit. Come on, motherfucker. Damn, boy, this motherfucker still look dark as hell. But Pete gang, right? So boom, the shorty was looking good as fuck, my dude. Damn. Pete gang, right? Shorty was looking. What this shit? A dub. Hold on. Let me hit y'all back. Whoa, this fucking. Let's catch up, right? Damn, like smack. Damn, I was all the way over here. Fuck, ain't no shade. But boom. Damn, who just hot as fuck. So boom, Pete gang, right? But damn. But like, look at all these fucking cars, bro. I gotta go all the way. What? Where is it? Damn. Oh, somebody got close. Damn, I gotta walk all the way the fuck over there. My car better be unlocked by the time I get there. Boy, he's fucking. Bro, when I get in my car, I'm gonna sit for a little bit. It's a motherfucking tree. I should have went that way. Damn. You gonna try something though? About to fail. About to fail and hurt my damn self. On the game, y'all ready? But yeah, bro, so I was telling y'all how damn. Hold on, let me get in this car first. Boy, it's fucking hot. Hot as fuck. Hot as fuck, my nigga. was saying, no, my car gonna be hot. Woo! Excuse me, y'all. Damn. Nigga, what? Oh boy. So boom. I ain't gonna hold you, probably start sweating, but like peak gang, so boom. I seen the shorty coming out the door, right? So I was like, bruh, you feel me? At first when I saw it came out, I won't even try to say too much. I always try to say too much, nothing like that, right? So boom. I'm just like, fuck it. So shorty come out. You gonna see when I turn the camera off. So I was like, ooh. I don't got one of them. I was like, damn, you feel me? Shorty looking kinda good. So like, you feel me? Like, bruh, she looked so good on me, bruh. She looked so good, ass looked so good, bruh, on me. If I didn't say nothing, nigga. If y'all would've saw her didn't say nothing, nigga, y'all be gay. You a nigga, bruh, you be gay, but if you saw her didn't say nothing, like, on me, bruh, you just have to be Fruit of the Loom, gay ass nigga. But y'all know how I'm rocking out. I'm rocking out with the Mavericks. That boy Luke ain't raised no bitch, you heard me? Big Don, you heard me? Big boy shit. Big boss shit. Now, bruh. Damn. I don't even want to carry no bag. I'll put this shit in here. Now let me see something that I've never seen before. Look out. So I'm gonna show them a little fit, something simple. Nothing too major. Show y'all a little fit. You feel me? Cause we rocking with that anime. Give y'all a close a little Peter shirt. You know exactly who that is. Your #1 favorite. It's like, so boom, we got that. Then we got the cowboy steppers. I said we got the cowboy steppers out today. Drip so hard. You gonna ride this way.
Look on that bed, or I'm just jealous.
Huh?
Oh wait, let me make sure that picture is
Jay put on the bed. Can't go to sleep unless that Drake under my pillow. Let me call that nigga Chris real quick.
Where's your phone?
Huh?
She's saying the number, ain't she?
Nah, I don't got your phone.
Huh?
I don't got your phone. Listen to the as she fucking on it. Yeah, I can't go to sleep unless that Drake under my pillow. Yo.
Nope.
Hey, what's good with you, gang?
No, much. How you look?
Hey, you feel me? I'm living wonderful. You heard me? Wonderful as hell. Hey, but Scrap got a phone I can call. Cowboy, say, bro, niggas about to get ready to swerve out soon.
Alright, you asking about this shit.
Hell yeah, niggas about to get ready to leave. Well, I'm in Durham. I'm about to get ready to leave Durham and shit, and probably go meet Jelon in Raleigh.
For sure.
But hell yeah. Hey, bro. Where you at? Where you at, gang?
So what?
I said, where you at?
I'm nothing right now.
Shit. Hey, hot damn, bro. I'm probably gonna bring a little bit of bud back to the city.
Alright.
Bro, yeah.
Now I'm saying you know anybody can fuck with that light.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Give him my number.
Alright, I'm about to get to it now.
Alright, that's a bit. I'll throw him like 2 plays for that shit. Alright, that's a bit. Hey, I'll meet you whenever I get on Myrtle and shit.
Alright, so.
Alright, love, bro. Be safe, hold it down.
Alright, you too.
Hey, you feel me? My little friend, how them paying me something. You said what? What?
She sent a number.
Oh, she sent it? Alright. Let me put this in my bag. Tell me the number out loud. Bro, I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm trying to, you feel me? Oh, I said, I don't even know why they don't want focus on me. That shit was tricky. I'm gonna get this after we leave. When we come back. I was thinking, I don't want to break that shit. Trying to put it in the car. Not put it in the bag. Get that back. Damn, bro, it's not funny. I want to say this don't need to tighten. Oh, there we go, there we go. So we made it to the location. So yeah, we made it to the location. I'm gonna tell y'all. Let me stop this bitch. I'm gonna tell y'all where we at after I get this motherfucking shit to the room. Bro, I hope my shit ain't alright. You got my key, right?
Yeah.
You like the doors then?
Yeah.
You want to keep it? I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah. My key not open. I'll be like, damn.
Hold your camera so I can get him out.
Peep this shit, peep this shit.
What number are we? Hold on.
Hey, we made it though. We made it. We at the spot. We at the spot. So now we can disclose the location. Actually, I'm gonna show you the room first. I'm gonna show you the room. Yeah, little room tour where we at. Hide down. You feel me? Little words. Oh shit! I hit my bed. Got a little yes on my. Bullshit. Hey, but y'all hear that? Oh, I know y'all hear that. I know y'all hear that. Word up. Just listen. Just listen. Ooh, I know y'all hear that shit though. Big talk. Ooh. I ain't gonna hold you. Look at this nice little view. And there are folks out here on the beach still. Let's zoom in, get a little something. Cause tomorrow we gonna get a little nice video for y'all, you feel me? When y'all get this video, I don't know. No promises, gang. But you feel me? Hey. The ground to the stars, back down, up again. Whatever it's supposed to mean. Damn. But oh yeah, Shorty said I can't sleep in the same bed with her.
Nope.
Alright, that's cool. Alright, so y'all heard that?
Yeah, sleep with me.
Y'all heard that. Shorty said, hold on. We're gonna go talk though. We're gonna go talk in the bathroom. We're talk in the bathroom. We're gonna hop in the bathroom. We're gonna do it for the one time. So yeah, we love that bitch. Fuck it. That bitch. So I want to bitch like hell damn. So yeah, so we gonna talk Shorty saying he's sleeping in the bed tonight. But what? We definitely gonna see what's up. Bro, I'm trying to tell you. Anybody that know me outside of this point, bro, well, you better ask, bro. Better ask about me, boy, cause we do it for real. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna keep it all the way level with y'all. I ain't gonna hold you, but yeah. We already know what's up, so now we gonna go back out here. Fuck it. Yeah. Make sure y'all like this video though. Like, comment, fuck with your boy for real though. But yeah, bro, we gonna get some food and stuff, right? It's a bit. I just can't help but keep looking out here like, you feel me? But it is dark as fuck out there. I ain't gonna hold you. It is dark as a motherfucker. Definitely don't plan on going out there. And when I do go out there, hold on. Ain't enough light in this motherfucker. There we go.
No, we're not
That's
gonna go sit there for like 10 minutes.
It's a bit. If I do go out there, I already told you, like, bruh, ankles linked. You feel me? Not going out there like that. No. For a wave to knock me over and.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about go see Brittany now.
Oh, I already told you, you can drive over there. I ain't really trying to go no more. That is. I call him and tell him. Let me just phone. I call and tell him. I ain't trying to go. Why? I want to get food, come back, watch. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I want to watch some anime. I want to watch anime and then go to sleep. Like, come on. Actually, I'm gonna come back and smoke, and we're gonna talk to the game. Talk to the game. Bam, bam. If y'all also want to see more vlogs, travel vlogs, all that good stuff, but this shit really in good quality. But like, bruh, like the video, subscribe, stop being a hater. Don't be a hater, just be a fan. Matter of fact, don't be a fan, be a supporter. But yeah, I'm probably gonna, I don't know, I'm putting the camera back up after we leave the room. So yeah. But she got your location, bro, so she already know already. And plus I'm recording so she can see me. Damn, boy, you be a lot. Damn. Just like, but look at this nigga, bro. Yeah, I don't, bro. Damn. Goofy, hey, come on, go.
Who said that shit?
What?
Was it Nicolette or your girl?
What? Nicolette said,
Who grabbed the camera? Why you grabbed that camera?
said, I don't even know who said it. Bro, I don't even know.
Why he grabbed the camera? I was like, oh, over there.
Yeah, I don't even know who said it the whole time.
Everybody's back
Hey,
going to the strip.
hey, yeah, I know they gonna think they gonna go to the street, but it's cool though. So I ain't tripping on none of that shit. Yeah, I believe this is the right way, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's the right way. Yeah, I don't know. I hope
She's not been talking to me, cuz.
Bruh.
She about to be mad as fuck.
She can check your low though.
You know?
She can check your low.
That is true. That is true.
How y'all boys, y'all be getting them girls, boy, y'all boy be on lockdown. Boy.
Niggas walking behind us too damn quick.
Nigga, calm down. Nigga, calm down. Niggas is not worried. Niggas not that type of time. Calm down, nigga.
Ready for that
Boy, it ain't that kind of party. Chill. Nigga,
I noticed that we were walking, they just walking up quick behind us.
Nigga, chill. Nigga, this is a resort hotel, nigga. This is not that kind of party.
You don't bust that, don't bust that shit, boy.
Hey, look at you going the wrong way. Hey, niggas get out the lick. Boy, they be talking. Oh, you gotta worry about it for sure. Damn, where that park at?
You parked over there.
Oh,
can you drive, bro?
I ain't drunk.
Very nice, dude.
Shut the hell up, nigga. If I was drunk, you think I even
I can drive. I ain't all the way drunk. I'm tipped.
Whatever. What's on your car, dude?
My car not here.
Word. Oh. Dude, what kind of car? Hey, what kind of car is? What kind of car is? Yeah, it's right here. It looks like it's right here. Is it right here? Man, we can't even find bro man in the car.
Where's Ray's car? Oh, I'm finna say Ray, you got towed. I thought you got towed. Yo. Oh. Yo, how much fucking hard you got? I thought you got towed. Okay, man, listen, let me know.
I'm gonna carry on because I'm strong. Fuck you and blogs, please just leave me on. Clout, that's a dangerous thing. Dope, that just change the things. I'm gonna stay the same. Young boy AI gone.